Now we're all finished on that cello job. We just got to pull the hammer out and shut the sheet down. But you see all of this cellulose that's in the laps here, right? A lot of the new guys to the industry don't know how important it is to clean that out. And if you don't clean that out of there, then that cellulose can actually wick water across from one side through into your roof. And it's the same with all this cellulose here. So always make sure that you clean it up. That's why cleaning the job afterwards is really important to us. Only takes a second to clean up, and now the roof can go back down nice and easy. Just pull our hammer out. Just got to be careful when you put a hammer like this, because if it slips off of here, it can go straight through the plastic. So that's what we'll do on the job. I had a bat underneath that, and then now that the laps are all clean, shut it down, screw it down, and we're all done. Just pack up the truck.